today we are launching an LP and using a bundle bot in Solana that will allow us to snipe our own token during launch within 4 different wallets. This means that we will be able to add the liquidity pool plus buy it within the same transaction with other wallets, buying it before anyone else and avoiding snipers with more easily. Okay, so for doing it, we are gonna use Smithii Tools. Okay, we have the tool create Solana liquidity pool, and in here we can snipe our own token or use the Solana bundle bot, as you wanna call it. Okay, and it's really simple. If you don't have your token yet and you don't know how to do it, here you have a tutorial on how to do the whole process. One important thing to take into account is that if we are gonna snipe our token, we have 2 options. Snipe it with the dev wallet, with the wallet we are using to create the liquidity pool, but that will look kinda as a red flag. Or we can import several wallets, in this case up to 4 different wallets, to buy the token before anyone else and not with the dev wallet. Okay, we are asking here for the private key because there is not any other way to do it, but we don't store nor misuse the wallet for anything. I will recommend you to create a new wallet in order to make this, just to have your assets ensured in a new wallet. Okay, important here is that we have 2 options to create the liquidity pool: Radium version 4 or AMM, or CPMM, also called Radium version 5. Okay, right now it's a no-brainer to use the CPMM because the volume is much higher on Radium version 4. The only bad part of Radium version 4 or AMM is that we need an open book market and it is a bit more expensive. Okay, you can make the whole process within here and it will be creating the market, the open book market plus the liquidity pool, but you only will be able to bundle snipe with the current wallet. But if you want several wallets, you will need an open book market ID previously created. Okay, you have the tool in here also to create it with the cheapest rate available right now in Solana, which is 0.4. Okay, you will have all links in the description of the token creator, create the liquidity pool, and create open book market. In this case, I already have my token ready. This is the token, okay, bundle bot, and my open book market ID ready as well. So I just gonna copy this and paste it in here. Okay, so the process is really simple. We just need to click a few buttons and we will be launching our LP in seconds. Okay, first we need to select the base token. That will be the token we have created. In this case it's called bundle bot for me, and the quote token. The quote token is the token that gives value to the token you are launching in this case, and the most used one is Solana. Okay, then we will paste the open book market ID. You will get it once you create it. As I said, you have a tutorial in the description. Once we have the open book market ID, which could be the token pair, basically, we just need to add liquidity. So we need to select how much liquidity we would like to add. Okay, usually meme coins add around 80 to 95% of the supply into the liquidity pool. Okay, then we need to select how much Solana we want to add. I will say that to launch a successful meme coin, you will need to add at least between 5 to 10 Solana. Okay, the more Solana in the liquidity, the easiest is to make it go good. But it's not good at all to have a huge amount of Solana in the liquidity. So for example, going with 100 Solana in the liquidity pool for a meme coin is a no-brainer also. So I will go with 10 Solana, for example. Take on account that you need to cover, you need to have node funds and to cover the fees of the tool plus the fees of Radium. So in total 0.5 Solana so far. Okay, in this case I will just be able to add 18 because of the total balance I have. In this case, anyways, I'm adding 10. We can also set the launch date, like schedule the launch of the LP, but we won't be able to snipe it, so we won't use it. And then we have the snipe your own token. Okay, and you can select if you wanna snipe your LP with the current wallet, with the wallet you are going to use to make this, or to import several wallets, like using other wallets to snipe your token. Okay, give me 1 second, I'm going to add the private key. Okay, so here we have 2 wallets. In this case I'm going to use just 2 because it's just test for the tutorial. but these are the wallet address and these are the balance I have in the wallet. So I need to select how much amount we want to buy. Okay, I might do 2 Sol in here and 0.5 in here, for example. I will be able to add 2 more if we wanted to. Cool. So now that we have everything ready, we just need to click on create liquidity pool. It will open a transaction where we will need to sign all the operations. Here we are sending 10.4 Solana, 10 are for the liquidity, 0.4 are for the fees of Radium. These are the LP tokens we are going to receive, and this is the amount of tokens we are sending to the LP or token, not Solana. Okay, success, liquidity pool creation and Snipe successfully execute. Here we have the LP ID in case we want to remove or add more liquidity. We should have the LP token on our wallet. Okay, it doesn't appear, but it's here. Let me check. So, okay, it's ongoing, it didn't load properly yet. But if we come here and open, for example, Vertai, we will be able to see that the LP is already launched and we have snipers buying as well as our own snipe. Okay, here we have the transactions. If we go to the screener, we should be able to see it yet. Okay, we are not able to yet because the screener takes a few minutes. Let me enforce it with the URL. Okay, here we have on the screener, it's also ready yet. We can see that the token pumped 50% just in the last few minutes because of the snipers. And if we check here, we can see that these are the wallets we imported, buying 2 Sol and 0.5 Sol. Then all snipers comes, but we are the first ones and within the same seconds, within the same block that the LP add transaction. Okay, let me show you exactly how it looks on SolScan so you can verify that it's properly done. Okay, this is the block. Okay, it ends on 35, and as you can see, this is the transaction of adding the liquidity. Then we have transaction 2, which is the same block in the same minute with the first buy of this wallet, okay, of the 2 Solana. And here we have the last one, the same block also, and with this other wallet. If we go to the next one, in this case this, for example, we will see that it's another block, the next one. You see it ends before on 35. This one is the next block. This is a really fast sniper, but not as fast as bundling, snapping your LP launch. Okay, so essentially that's it. This is how easily you can bundle snipe your own LP. There you go. This is how easily you can bundle snipe your own LP, snipe your own LP while launching with different wallets in just a few seconds and with the cheapest method available and the most effective one for sure. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it goes for you. Good luck and see you in the next one. Bye bye.